Hello, welcome to my class. In the previous videos, we discussed some questions from question papers from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. In this video also, we are going to discuss the same. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay. So, let us start now. And the first question is, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 cm from a canal into a cylindrical tank in his field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? So, farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 cm. Let us consider the pipe first. And for the pipe, radius, we can take it as small r. Radius r is equal to 20 centimeter, but we have to convert that to meter. R is not 20 centimeter, it is 20 by 2 centimeter because diameter is given as 20 centimeter. So, r is 20 by 2 centimeter, which is 10 centimeter, and it can be converted to meter as divide by 100, which is 10 by 100, and that is equal to 1 by 10 meter. So, radius of the pipe is 1 by 10 meter. And volume of pipe. What is the volume of pipe? Volume of pipe, it is a cylinder, right? So, it is equal to pi into r square, that is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h. We don't know what is the height of this pipe. Okay, now tank, cylindrical tank. What is the radius of this cylindrical tank? Radius, capital R, is equal to 10 meter in diameter, that is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 meter. Now height, it is 2 meter deep, so height is equal to, we can consider it as capital H. H is equal to 2 meter. Okay, now what is volume of tank? Volume of tank is equal to pi into r square, 5 square into h. That is pi into 25 into 2, which is 50 pi meter cube. So, volume of tank is 50 pi meter cube and volume of pipe is pi by 100 into h. Okay. And here water is flowing through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour. So, in 1 hour, it is flowing 3 kilometers, which means it is flowing 3000 meter in 1 hour. So, we can take, in these type of questions, we can take the height of the pipe as this 3000. So, we will get this as pi by 100 into 3000, which is equal to 30 pi meter cube. So, we got the volume of the pipe as 30 pi meter cube and volume of tank as 50 pi meter cube. Now, we want to find the time in which the tank will be filled. For that, we can divide this volume by this volume, right? So, time in which the tank will be filled is equal to volume of tank by volume of pipe, which is equal to 50 pi by 30 pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled, 0, 0 will get cancelled. That is 5 by 3 hours it will take, which means 5 by 3 into, that is, we can multiply by 60 to get the time in minutes. So, 5 by 3 into 60, which is equal to 100 minutes. 5 by 3 hours is 1, 2 by 3 hours, which is 100 minutes. Okay. Next one, the internal and external diameter of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 16 cm and 12 cm respectively. If the cost of painting 1 cm square of the surface area is 5 rupees, find the total cost of painting the vessel all over and use pi equal to 3.14. Now, what is the total surface area of this hollow hemisphere? We can consider it like this. So, here there will be, from here also it will be coming down. So, what is the total surface area of this hemisphere? It is this curved surface area, which is pi 2 pi r square plus this curved surface area. We can take it as capital R square plus this area, that is this area. And what is that area? It is pi into r square minus r square. Right? Now, small r is equal to 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. It is diameter. So, small r equal to 6 centimeter and capital R is equal to 16 by 2, which is 8 centimeter. Now, substitute that. So, total surface area is equal to 2 into pi into, or we can take pi out from all these. Pi into 2r square plus 2r square plus r square minus r square, which is equal to pi into 2r square, that is 2 into 6 square, which is 36. 2 into 36 plus 2 into r square, it is 64 plus this is 64 minus 36, which is equal to 28, right? So, this is equal to pi into 2 into 36 plus 2 into 64 plus 28, which is equal to 3.14 into 2 into 36 is 72, 2 into 64 is 128 plus 28, and that is equal to 3.14 into 72 plus 128 is 200 and plus 28 is 228. Okay. Now, 3.14 into 228. 314 into 228. 4 8s are 32. 3 carry. 8 plus 3, 11. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Then 8, 2, 6. 6, 2, 8. 2, 9, 15, 11, 7. 71592. So this is equal to 715.92 meters square. So total surface area of this hollow hemisphere is 715.92 meters square. Now we have to find the total cost of painting this hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, and it is equal to, total cost is equal to, cost of painting 1 centimeter square is 5 rupees. So the total cost will be 715.92 into 5, which is equal to multiply a number by 5, just divide it by 2 and multiply by 10, because 5 is 10 by 2. So just divide the number by 2 and multiply by 10. So dividing by 2 we will get 7 by 2 is 3, 1 carry, 11 by 2 5, 1 carry, 15 by 2 is 7, 1 carry, then 19 by 2 is 9, 1 carry, 12 by 2 is 6. So this is equal to 357.96 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 3579.6, that is 3579 rupees 60 paise. So the total cost of painting this hollow hemisphere is 3579 rupees 60 paise. Okay, understood? 39th question. If a cone, a hemisphere and a cylinder are on equal bases and their height is also equal, find the ratio of their volumes. They are on equal bases, so the radius will be same. And volume of cone, let us name it as V1. V1 equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? And volume of hemisphere is, we can write it as V2. It is 2 by 3 pi r cube. And this can be considered as 2 by 3 pi r cube can be considered as r square h, because here r and h are the same, so we can take it as r square h, or we can write this as 2 by 3 pi r cube first. Now r is equal to h, so v2 equal to 2 by 3 pi r square h. And what is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder V3 is equal to pi r square h. So ratio is V1 is to V2 is to V3 is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h is to 2 by 3 pi r square h is to pi r square h. Pi r square h will get cancelled from all these, and we will get this as 1 by 3 is to 2 by 3 is to 1. And that is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So the ratio is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. Next one, water is flowing through a circular pipe of internal diameter 2 cm into a cylindrical tank of base radius 40 cm at the rate of 0.4 meter per second. Determine the rise in level of water in the tank in half an hour. So, water is flowing through cylindrical pipe. First, let us consider the pipe. Volume of water in pipe is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius of this pipe. R is 2 by 2, which is 1 centimeter, and height is 0.4 meter per second, right? Rate is 0.4 meter per second. So volume of water in pipe in 1 second, volume of water in pipe in 1 second is equal to pi into r is 1 square, that is r is 1, so 1 square into, in 1 second it will flow 0.4 meter, that is 0.4 into 100 centimeters. We have to convert this to centimeter because all the other units are in centimeter. So this is equal to pi into 1 square into 0.4 into 100. Volume of water in pipe in 1 second is this. And volume of, we have to find in half an hour, that is 30 minutes. So volume of water in pipe in 60 seconds, that is 1 minute is equal to pi into 1 square into 0.4 into 100 into 60, right? Now volume of water in pipe in 30 minutes is equal to pi into 1 square into 0.4 into 100 into 60 into 30, right? Now consider the tank, cylindrical tank. Volume of tank is equal to pi r square h. We are taking r as the radius of the r, and capital R and h as the radius and height of the tank. And we have to find this h, that is rise in level of water in the tank. So this is equal to, and r here is base radius 40 centimeter. So capital R is 40 centimeter. And this is equal to pi into 40 square into h. Now we know that this much water is flowing through the pipe and this much water has filled this tank, right? So this volume will be equal to this volume. So it means pi into 1 square we can take as 1, 0.4 into 100 into 60 into 30 is equal to pi into 40 square into h. Okay, so pi and pi will get cancelled and h is equal to 0.4 into 100 into 60 into 30 by 40 into 40. Now 0 will get cancelled. So we can cancel this 100 or we can cancel these two zeros. Now 4 will go in 0.4, 0.1 times. Then this is equal to 6 into 3 into 100 into 0.1, that is 18 into 100, 1800 into 0.1, which is 180. 180 by 4, which is equal to 90 by 2, and that is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Next question. A rectangular sheet of paper of dimensions 44 cm by 18 cm is rolled along its length and a cylinder is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder so formed. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. So a rectangular sheet is there which is 44 cm by 18 cm and it is rolled to cylinder. And along its length it is given that, so this length will be, so this circumference will be 44 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula for circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 44, which means pi r is equal to 22 and r is equal to 22 by pi, which is equal to 22 into 7 by 22, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So this r is 7 centimeter and height will be this breadth, right? So this is 18 centimeter height. From here to here it is 18 centimeter. Now find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 square into h is 18. So 1 7 will get cancelled and we'll get this as 22 into 7 into 18. 22 into 7 is 154 and 154 into 18. 154 into 18 is 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3 43, 8 plus 4 is 12, then 154. We'll get this as 2772. So volume of cylinder is 2772 centimeter cube. Understood? Next one, a toy is in the form of a cylinder of diameter 2√2 meter and height 3.5 meter surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is 90 degree. Find total surface area of the toy. This is toy. That is, a cylinder is there. The toy is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a cone whose vertical angle is 90 degree. That is, this angle is 90 degree. And we have to find the total surface area of the toy. And given that this radius is, diameter is 2√2 meter. So this radius is √2 meter. 2√2 by 2 is √2. And we can take this as 2√2 meter. Now let us consider this as AB and this is the center. We can take it as O. And let this be C. Okay. Now we have to find the slant height of this cone because we have to find curved surface area of this cone. The total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus this area, that is area of base of cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone, which is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Area of base is pi r square, which is a circle, plus curved surface area of cone is pi rl. Okay. And L is the slant height of this cone. We have to find this L, which is AC or BC. And here AC and BC will be equal. So let us take AC equal to BC equal to X. We are taking this as X. And we know that this is a right triangle. So this AB is the hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. That is AB square is equal to AC square is x square plus x square, which is equal to 2x square. But this AB square is 2 root 2 square. So 2 root 2 square is equal to 2x square. And what is 2 root 2 square? 4 into 2, which is 8. 8 is equal to 2x square. So x square equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So what is x? X equal to 2. Root of 4, which is 2. So we got this as 2 meter. This is 2 meter. L is 2 meter. Now we can take this pi r out. Pi r into 2h plus r plus L. Okay. So this is equal to pi into r is root 2 into 2h. H is height is 3.5 meter. So 2h is 7 plus r is root 2 plus L is 2. So this is equal to pi root 2 into 9 plus root 2. So total surface area is this much meter square. Understood? And this can be written as pi into 2 plus 9 root 2 meter square. Next question. Find the volume of the largest solid right circular cone that can be cut out from a solid cube of side 14 centimeter. We know that base will be the largest circle that can be inscribed in, that is base of the cone will be touching all the sides of the cube, right? So the largest cone will have base that is touching all the sides of the cube, which means radius will be equal to the length of the edge of the cube by 2. So radius is equal to 14 by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius of cube. We can write this as radius of cube equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. And height is this height. That is height is equal to length of edge of the cube. That is height of cube. Height, that is height of cone. Height of cone is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the volume of cone? Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r square is 7 square into h is 14, and this we can write h, this we can write r. R equal to 7 centimeter, h equal to 14 centimeter. Volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 14. 1 7 will get cancelled. 7 into 14 is 4 7s are 28. 2 carry. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we have 22 into 98 by 3, which is equal to 98 into 22 is 196, 196. 2156, right? So this is equal to 2156 by 3, and that is equal to 7 1 then 8 point then 20 6 6 etc. So this is equal to 718.67 centimeter cube. That is volume of the largest cone that can be cut out from a cube of side 14 centimeter is 718.67 centimeter cube. Okay. Next question, water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe of diameter 14 cm into a cuboidal pond which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. In what time the level of pond will rise by 21 cm? Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a cylindrical pipe and diameter of the cylindrical pipe is 14 cm. So, volume of pipe is equal to pi r square h, where r is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to convert that to meter, which is 7 by 100 meter. So r is equal to 7 by 100 meter, and so volume is equal to 22 by 7 into pi r square, that is 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into volume in, that is volume of water in 1 hour we can calculate. So we can write volume of water in 1 hour is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100, and it will flow 15 kilometers in 1 hour. So how many meters it will flow? It is 15,000, right? So, in 1 hour, volume of water that is flowing from the tap is 22 by 7 into 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 into 15,000. 0, 0 will get cancelled and 1, 0 will get cancelled. 1, 7 also will get cancelled. So, 22 into 7 into 15 by 10. We can calculate 22 into 7 first. It is 154 because 2 into 7 is 14, 1 carry. Then 14 plus 1 is 15. So 154 into 15. We have 20, 25 plus 2, 27, 5 plus 2, 7. Then 154. We will get 2, 3, 1, 0. And this is equal to 2310 by 10, which is equal to 231 centimeter cube, meter cube. We have converted all the units to meter. So, volume of water flowing through that pipe in 1 hour is 231 meter cube. Now, volume of this pond, it is a cuboid. What is volume of a cuboid? It is L into B into H, right? So, volume of pond is equal to LBH. L equal to 50 meter, B equal to 44 meter, and level of pond will rise by 21 centimeter. So, height is equal to 21 centimeter, which is equal to 21 by 100 meter. Right? Now, volume of pond is equal to 50 into 44 into 21 by 100. 50 will go in 100 2 times and 2 will go in 44 22 times. So, this is equal to 22 into 21. 22 into 21 is 462. Now, what is the time taken for level of pond to rise by 21 centimeter? Time is equal to volume of pond by volume of pipe, right? So, it is equal to 462 by 231, which is equal to 2 hours. We have taken it in hours. That is, in 1 hour it is filling. It is flowing 15 kilometers. So we have taken it in hours. So time also we will get in hours. That is, it will take 2 hours to rise to 21 centimeter. Okay.